Okay, so lashes are off, but this is a little different intro. I'm a mess, so I forgot to record an intro for this video. Forgive me, but I still look cute, and you're still cute, so we can be cute together. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and avoid doing this again, cause don't nobody got time to be after hour video photographing. I hope you enjoy the video. Give it a good old thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And if this is the first video you watch from me, I'm sorry for the bad first impression, but I promise I'm not this sloppy. And yeah, enjoy.
It's me, Jesse Ari. Sorry, riders like a home leading to up in.
So I don't see a point in zooming in since you already know what look you're getting from the intro of this video. So I'm just gonna keep it right here. Work with it, and yeah, let's just get to it. So first, as always, I'm gonna prime my eyelid with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot Poot in Soft Ochre. So for this look in particular, I'm going in with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette and the Juvia's Place Masquerade. I know. Please, MedinaMUAYE, use one palette per look, but I promise this is the last time. I take that back, but I will do my best after this video to do a look based on a palette, I promise. Pray about it. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is set your lid. So I'm going to go in with this little shade right here to just set it and forget it. We're going to go into some color. For the first shade, we're going to go into this little green color right here. For this look in particular, you want to focus this first color on the outer V, right? I have hooded eyes, as you can see, but even though on this side I have hooded eyes on both sides. I'm looking straight and you can still see some color. So what I do is I look straight, I see where the hood is and where they meet from the top of whatever this is called, and I just make sure I put some color on the top. So yeah, definitely like blend down and into the crease, but bring up the color if need be. So when you look straight ahead, you still get some color peeking out. So I want to build up that color, and I'm just going to go in and do small circular motions and keep it going straight across my outer eye hole thingy. And you're going to try and hit it like right in the middle and stop. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this on the lid and in the outer V. Go, looking good so far. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop right there actually, because that looks like where I have it on that side. So from here, I'm just gonna keep blending so there's like no harsh edges, little small circular motions. Okay, so that looks good to me. Now I'm just gonna put a little more color on the lid right here and pass it down. Okay, so that looks good as is. So now we're gonna switch over to the Juvia's Masquerade Mini and jump into this shade right here, which is obviously my favorite. This one's a little, not tricky, but you just want to go ahead and place that also here, but also be careful that you don't like put it too high or too, well, yeah, if you put it too low, it's fine, but not too high. You want to like meet this green right there, but then you want to keep it so like this swoop right here is even and continuous. So just carefully like place that color and place more if need be to make it as even as possible. And then you're just going to drag it down and around like this. Boom. There you go. You guys are doing good. Is that like, what do you guys feel like if I talk to you like if I was on Dora the Explorer? You guys are doing great. Like if I could actually see you. I'm just going to build the color up some more because we are going to do a little half cut crease, so it's okay to like pack on the color. By the way, I should probably say, go ahead and use any color you want. You could use any two colors that you think will work together. I did this look by accident because I was like inspired by some other look, but it wasn't this pink and green combo. It was something totally different. So use your own little variation. So yeah, we're just gonna blend that so there's like no harsh lines as well on the inside. Okay, that looks good to me. So yeah, you're gonna bring that down to like your inner corner. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and take concealer and a little brush like this, a flat synthetic brush. So I'm just using the little amount of Tarte shape tape concealer that I have left for eye looks, because I'm on team ColourPop for concealers nowadays. Again, same with the hooded eyes. Try to place it above where the crease is, but be careful because you don't want no transfer. Just place your initial and then slowly drag up. There you go, that's good for me because it's right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this crease. So there you have a basic outline on where to start and where to stop. Okay, so now we're gonna jump back into the Morphe and Jacqueline palette and go into this shimmer right here, which is like a bomb turquoise shade, which is actually legit one of my favorite shades from this palette. I'm gonna take this flat little, what is this called? The eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. And then you're gonna put that right on the concealer. But be careful not to like cross any lines. You just wanna pack it slowly, and then when you get to the edges, just pat and drag up to where you see the color meets the edge. So for the final shade on the top lid, you're gonna go back into the Morphe Jacqueline palette and go into this middle shade on the last row, which is like a very, very dark green. So you can go ahead and put that like right in the center of all this and just drag it to the middle of the lid where the shade, that turquoise shade, and the rest of this eye meets. And this shade in particular, you really want to like build it up slowly. And then once you get to where they connect, you don't want to pick up no more of that shade because it's very like dark. It can easily overpower the shimmer shade. Well, I'm just going to take some more just to put on the lid itself actually. And for sure, just make sure that color is built up on the outer corner of this lid the most, because that's where it counts. Okay, so now that that's over, this is going to be like the technical part of this eye look. So you want to take some kind of flat synthetic brush. I used this, what I used to carve the brows. And if you have any concealer at all, or I don't even think you need concealer, you want to like cut this right here, like where your brow is right here, just cut it so it's not a perfect like circle smoky thing, because that's where we're gonna put our wing. So as usual, before you do a wing, we gotta do a nice long, well, this is a video so we can't do nothing long, but a quick prayer. Let's go. So for the wing, exceeds where you have your crease colors, so it's gonna go way longer than normal, but it's all gonna work out in the end. So you want to follow that line you just created. So you're gonna start from here and then go up. And then from here, you're gonna go ahead and pull it in. And then just go ahead and finish up the rest of your eye the best way you know how. So now we're gonna move on to the under eye. So the under eye is a little tricky, but that's why I'm here, so I'm gonna help y'all. So again, take a flat synthetic brush. You could even use like an angled brush, which is pretty common. So you're gonna jump back into the Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini and take your brush and pick up some of that same color that you did the inner top lid. And we're gonna create like that lower wing kind of thing right here. So you're gonna take it and do like straight from there and then pull in. It doesn't have to be perfect. And there we go. So if it's not like sharp like that, and take that concealer brush and clean it up. So before I close that eye, I want to go in with my ColourPop cream gel liner in Swerve, I believe. Yes, it's the black one. I'm like literally all out, so I'm gonna have to get some more. ColourPop sponsor me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on the waterline. And then you're gonna go ahead and take a little detail brush. This is the Morphe Y20, and go back into the color right here. Go ahead and fill in this lower lash line. So you're almost there. Hang on, we can do this. We're almost there. So there's just a few more details. After that, you're gonna go ahead and grab a white liner. For this particular look, I'm using the NYX liquid liner. So you're just gonna literally draw a white line, almost touching where the colors meet, but you're gonna place it right on the edge of where you place the concealer and the turquoise shade. So here we go. This one, you could definitely do like soft, small strokes and continue, because I'm not too confident with liner, so I get really nervous, but do what's best for you. Honestly, this part's not going to be the cleanest, but hey, it's your own little touch. It's not that big a deal. But from far away, it looks good though. You can't tell me shit. So then you're going to go ahead and pick up a little bit more product for the final part. You're going to sneak in a small little white wing between the black and the purple wings right here. It's right where they meet. Bam. Just like that. Actually, this could use a little more pizzazz. Let's go. Yes, ma'am. Ooh, double. Okay, that's cute. So then I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. And then finally, we're gonna go ahead and put on this Bomb Dramatic Lash, which is actually from Cake Face Beauty. It's a cute little box right here, and the spider is right here. So basically, you're gonna go ahead and take your lash and put a nice line of glue. I don't know if this is too much or too little, but that's usually the amount I put on. And then you're gonna go ahead and let them wave in the air for a bit so the glue gets a little more tacky. You can like speed the process. So you're gonna go ahead and take your nearest mirror and put it right under your chin like this, and then look down. I know it's not the best view, and you just want to place it from the outside and work your way in. And make sure you place them on top of your lash, because you don't want to like crumple your lashes pushing it in. Just lay them on top, make sure they're on top, and then go ahead and press the outer inside first. Trust me, I know it's nerve-wracking, but make sure it's like right there. Leave it on for a little bit so it sticks. And you're gonna grab the middle and then press, let it stick, and then take the outer edge and press, and then you just want to let that dry. Adjust quickly if necessary, and bam. So now I'm pretty sure at this point you're wondering what the hell is this beautiful shiny glitter stuff right here, and don't fear, it is the Stella Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. Say that 5 times fast, girl. So this is in the shade Diamond Dust. So basically you're just gonna go ahead and open this girl, take some, and then just gonna place it literally right there, and just paint it down, but you're not going all the way, just like right here. And get it close to the lash line as possible, and that's it. Just literally made your eye look so glam in a few strokes. And then real quick, go ahead and find your detail brush and your Dubious Place palette and jump into this shade Giza right here as your little highlighting shade, and put that in the inner corner, blending it into the Magnificent Metals and the purple pink thingy thing. And there you go. Ta-da! We did it. Okay, so technically this should have been on the face section of the video, but of course we have to end this look with the lip. So I'm using the shade Snapdragon from Jouer. And this is actually one of my favorite shades, even though they're a little problematic, but I got this for free. Oops. So at this point I would use setting spray to go ahead and complete this look, but since I'm a broke bitch, I don't really have anything anymore. So you go ahead on your own time, set your face, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video. So yes, thank you guys for waiting on me. I know this is a little late, but I wanted to start the year off cute and give you guys a little full breakdown on how I get to this. I really appreciate all the love you guys given me, you know, when I first really started getting into this channel, really put in content now, and starting 2018 with so much love and positivity and support from so many of you guys. I get so emotional so fast, but I'm very humbled and I'm very grateful, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for always being there, and I hope my videos and my tweets and anything I post brings a smile to your face or somehow cheers you up in any kind of way. That's really what I'm here for, to teach you guys and love and make you guys laugh, and you know, make sure you guys know that you're not alone and you always have a friend in me. No Toy Story, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this video. Have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all my things right here. What am I doing? I don't know. Again, I'll see you on the next one. So until then, bye girl. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, sis. See you. Bye.